Hindi ka niya makita. Sandali, sandali. Hello daw, Ate Charmy. What? Go! Go where? What? Go where?
Hindi.
Bubbles. Wala na naman yung bubbles mo. Kaya, say to Ate Sherman, Ate Sherman, please buy me another bubbles. Sali. Giget daw niya. Giget mo.
May emergency.
Idea.
Kailangan.
Mahulog ka! Hoy! Wala na bubbles mo. Wala na. Tinapon na. Wala na. That's not bubbles Rubber dyan, rubber. You want that? Kakalat pa na. Ito daw pala yung gusto niya. Rubber niya. Aray! Natalikod mo! May Rhea nadadaan, no? Patulong ka Ate Sherman. Sabi mo, Ate Sherman, help me. Ate Sherman, help me. What's that daw? What's that daw, be? Ate Sherman is asking you. Ate Sherman is asking, what's that daw? Ayaw.
Huwag ka na magkalat. Gabi na. Huwag ka na magkalat.
Jacob, seen you today? Why? When are you seeing him? Why? Why Monday? Anniversary na tayo. Naman na anak ko yung anniversary mo. What did you eat for dinner? Banana? Banana? So, sa bali?
Ano ka? Bakit nasa Rona? Taba na. Mataba may tingin.
Alay ako. Kakalat na naman yan. Ate is talking to you. Babay ka na kay ate. Babay na. Oh, flying kiss. Flying kiss muna kay ate. Say I love you. One more. Again. Say it again. Lakasan mo.
Harap ka doon kay ate.
Louder.
Harap ka muna doon kay ate.
Dali na. Babay ka muna kay ate. Bye-bye, Ate Sherman. Bye, I love you. Look at ate when you say I love you.
Thank you.
Oh, hindi ka pa nag-love sa kapatid mo.
I love you, ate.
Love you daw, sabi ate. Ayabu daw, be, ayabu. Sabi niya, ate, yuk. Sige na, mapahinga ka na dyan. See you on Sunday. Bye-bye, love you. Paalala mo sa akin sa Friday. Bye-bye, love you.